This was my first attempt at a marking gauge. It's got some significant mistakes. One is that my mortising was not very good, so it's very loose. Second is that I used poplar, and poplar is sufficiently soft. I thought that I could use a threaded screw in the wood in order to tighten it and hold it, but if you over tighten, then the poplar tears out the threads. For the marker here, I used a sliced piece of razor blade, which I think is a good idea, but again, holding it in place, I thought I could change and move it around using this thumb screw, and again, that didn't work, so I need to rethink what I'm doing. This is my second attempt at a marking gauge. I made this about 6 months ago. It's 2 pieces of poplar and screws that I threaded into it, and then I took and I sharpened these as best I could. It seems to work relatively well. It's a little bit awkward at times, getting it, for example, lined up to cut, and you also, sharpening it, you wind up having to get underneath here to try to take the burr out, but certainly a better tool than the first marking gauge. This is my third attempt at making a marking gauge. This time I used walnut and oak, and I used a sharpened pin. Again, I'm using a thumb screw, but right now this is actually pretty tight, so I don't know how important that is. I think this is going to be a much better final product, but we'll find out. This is I've oiled it, and I need to let the tongue oil dry, but then or cure, but then I'll put on a wax paste and we'll give it a shot.